Welcome to the Inksoft signage guide. So we're going to create a new signage product. So products, add new product, new signage product. And let's go ahead and set up a business card. Let's just do Cinelite. SKU is just going to be business card. Same with the manufacturer SKU. And then description, custom business card. Most importantly, you want to get the shape right, but that's very easy. Just open this drop down and we're going to do square rectangle, but you've got some other options here. You can do a circle for some stickers and stuff and more specialized banner types down here. So square rectangle and we'll hit save. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to set up your units. So we're going to charge based on square inches. You can do meters or feet. And the width, let's do 3.5 by 2 for a business card. And then just for an example later, let's put in a different dimension here. Set the status to active to turn it on, and then we're going to assign it to a store. Go to the colors and images tab. We're going to upload an image here. It's called a color business card. And upload. You can upload whatever you want here. Once the customer reaches the designer, it's not going to display this image. It's just going to show them the available dimensions to choose from. So this won't appear in the designer. So it's nice to show, a finished product here or something like that. Go to the pricing tab. And with signage products, pricing is very simple. There's no print pricing grids or anything like that. You can still do a pricing rule markup if you want to. But for this example, we'll just go over these two options, the cost per square inch, fixed cost, and the price per square inch and the fixed price. So if you know your cost per square inch, you can just type in that cost here and it'll scale up the cost based on your dimensions here. Or if we know our fixed cost, let's just put it's 1 penny. And then for this larger card, let's override the cost and say it's 2 cents per card, for example. And then either you can enter a fixed price here. So let's say 1 penny. And then we'll override this price here. Let's say 3 cents. Or let's do 5 cents, and then we'll change that to 3 cents. So no print pricing grids or anything like that. You just enter your final decorated cost of the items here, and then that's all you got to do. So go ahead and save it. And signage products are compatible with quantity discounts, so pricing, product pricing, quantity discounts. You can set these up here. This is only if you're going to offer any kind of quantity between any sort of range, so between 1 and 10,000, for example, and the customer can choose any number in between. But for business cards specifically, you'll probably want to limit the quantity options, so 250, 500, 750, 1,000. Typically, you'll just match what your supplier offers because the suppliers will only offer specific quantity breaks. So what we'll do to set that up is go to pricing, product pricing, signage bulk pricing, upload. So this is where you can specify the quantities that you want to offer, and then the customer can then only choose those quantities that you specify. So the way that this works is you download this CSV template, and you'll fill it out with your quantities and your pricing for each quantity, and then you'll re-upload it here. And once you upload it, it's going to save that file right here. So I've already done this before in my account, but if you've never done this, you won't see this down here. But once you upload it and upload pricing, you'll see your CSV right here. So it's just one master CSV on this page. Once you get it started and save your first CSV that you upload, it's going to save that right here. So anytime you need to add an additional signage product to your account, you're going to re-download this CSV here. Open it up. it's easier to read. So here you can see we've got this sign here and the quantities that I've specified. But let's go ahead and do this for the business card. So the SKU is just business_card. Color is white, I believe. We'll check that. Oh, sorry, color is business card. There we go. Our first quantity we're going to offer is 250. And then the width is 3.5 and the height is 2. The cost for 250 would be $2.50. And then the price we want to charge, let's say we want to charge $25. And then we'll just copy and paste, go to the next line. And then we'll do our quantity for 500. Cost for this would still be, let's say it's the same, $5 your cost, and we want to charge the customer $40. And we'll do a couple more. 750 and 1,000. And say our supplier is letting us save a little bit. And then we want to charge for 90. Let's do 75, or for 750 we'll charge $75, and 1,000 let's charge $90. So now we'll save this and we'll re-upload it. So back on this page, I'm going to upload that pricing template. And then it's going to check the CSV and let you know if there's any errors in there. Upload pricing. Depending on how big it is, it can take a while to upload, but it was a really small CSV, so that's probably already done. So now let's go to the storefront and I'll show you how that's going to work now. Go to the designer. Here's our business card. So here's the image we've uploaded. Just click on it, and then here's what the customer is going to see in the designer. So they can choose their size here as well as inside the designer, and it just shows them the dimensions that you select. So design now. Let's say here's the business card I want, just for example. Next, and then here's your quantities right here. You can adjust your quantity and then get price, and you'll see the prices that you've entered here based on your quantity. So if I go back 1,000, now $90. I probably didn't scale that right, but I think you guys get the idea.